Today we will talk about certain terminologies used in the cryptography. Plain text, that's the normal text or a normal document where anybody can read it and understand it. Next is encryption. When the plain text is converted into a ciphertext, that is in a unreadable format, the process is called encryption, and the ciphertext is called as the encrypted message. So in order to convert the plain text to ciphertext, a key or a crypto variable is used. So this will help to convert the plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text. The keys can be different or it can be unique. Next, the decryption is the process of converting the ciphertext into a plain text. The next one is key clustering. One single key is used to uh, encrypt two different data, and if you get a same output value, then that scenario is called as key clustering. This happens when the key length is very small, so to avoid it, the length of the key should be increased. Next one is work factor. The amount of time taken to break the key is called as the work factor. Next is the initialization vector. So when we use a single key, it will be very easy for the attacker to guess the key or the plain text. So to avoid it, there is some random number added along with the secret key, which is called as the initialization vector. So when this is added, this random number is added, it is very difficult for the attacker to manipulate the key. Next we will see confusion, diffusion and avalanche, which are almost related to each other. So confusion, so it obscures the relationship between the key and the ciphertext. When we focus on confusion, when there is one key change, there should be at least 50% change of the ciphertext. So this is achieved through substitution algorithm. And diffusion, this is mainly focused on the relationship between the plain text and the ciphertext. So for example, if a single value of the plain text is changed, at least 50% of the bits in ciphertext are changed. So this diffusion is uh, attained or made it possible through transposition or permutation algorithm. Now let's talk about avalanche. So avalanche is nothing like a landslide effect. Okay, for example, if within like one stone rolls, it is going to cause multiple rocks to roll down. The same way, when one input is changed, it is going to change maximum of the output values. So the it is basically dependent on the degree of the confusion and the diffusion algorithm that provides this change.